Now we are unboxing the Nova 7. Okay, just wait for a while. Let me open this device and then I will tell you the whole specification and show you the device, how it's looking like, and feel the experience also. Just a minute. Yeah, now finally device is open. See, this is the device. See the beautiful color. This is a silver color and its display is punch hole view display. Punch hole view display means this is the camera in front of the screen, not in the center and nothing. There is the camera. This is called punch full view display, and company fixed already a screen protector in this mobile phone, and it's 8 GB RAM and 256 GB memory. At the back side 4 cameras, and main camera is 64 megapixel quad camera and front camera is 32 megapixel. Okay, but in this mobile phone what you get, most thing important, in 30 minutes you will get 70% charging. It means you just charge a mobile phone of 30 minutes and you will get 70% charging. So this is the very good benefits in this mobile phone. You will get, see the charger. You know what is the power of this charger? This is 40 watts charger. See, this is 40 watts charger. The speed of this mobile phone is Kirin 980 processor, which gives you the visual performance. Visual performance means no lagging, no hanging, no lagging. By the gamings, each and everything is going well. And this, and one most thing important is this device. This is a 5G device. 5G device means this mobile phone support both network, NSA network and SA network also. That's why this mobile phone gives you the better speeds than the other brand in this price range. Okay, that's it. So now just I open the mobile phone. Now we start the device. Settings, next, escape. Escape, thanks, later. See, now our device is open. Just go in device and check the specification about. See, what is the processor? Kirin 980 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB memory, and it's Android 10, and it's EMUI version 10.1. This is EMUI 10.1 version, means it's updated by Huawei also. Means suppose you will get anything new in the Huawei device, so it's automatically updated by there. You just open the Wi-Fi and update by here. Just come out and first activate the warranty. So just I put a password. Here we go. Go in high care, activate the all service center in UAE. See, it's warranty activated. See. So that's it. This is the device. Okay. See the camera of this device. See. Oh, we check. Yeah, this is the camera. This is quad camera. See, 64 megapixel camera, and just the zooming speed. See, this is Green Life Pharmacy. So far from my distance, see, almost how much? It's 500 meter, maybe not kilometer. It's 500 meter from my look. Not 500. It's 100 meter just near my location. See, and this is wide angle. Suppose you want to take a picture of whole building, so no need to go back. Just stand at the same place and just set a wide angle or ultra wide angle camera and take a picture easily. And this is the most of the function are there available. You can just open the AI Life also, which gives you the better clarity. And this is HDR also, high dynamic range. It means what we get in the picture we will get in the same picture also. Suppose we get like this, at the back side we get this clarity of black car. See this car. So when we click the photo and open the AI, so same picture we will get, what we will see, we will get. That's it.